6. Leveraging the unboxing videos trend. So how do you create unboxing videos? So as soon as you buy a product, you can record yourself unwrapping the product and taking a video of it. So if you become a popular YouTuber, companies are going to send products to you to create unboxing videos, and they're going to pay you for this. But this will happen only if you become popular on YouTube for unboxing videos. So then they're going to do it. So unboxing videos, there are a lot of videos on YouTube that are trending for unboxing. So this would be a particularly great niche that you can utilize to create videos.